God damn, the time hot. Jesus, all my eyeball are sweat. Good God, me can't smell my brain sizzling.
Technicational.
Yeah, not gonna lie. No, I'm not gonna stay outside and do that video. Yeah, I'm gonna do it the old fashioned way. Inside, in some AC. Now burn up myself anymore. Ready? Let's go. Hello folks, and welcome to another episode of Technicational. My name is Peyton Wilmot, and today we have in front of us two products from Hidizs. Big shout out for Hidizs for sending these out for review. And one of these products is definitely going to solve the problems that a lot of you guys been complaining about with the new phones. That is, they don't come with headphone jacks. And people might say, well, that's just minor because you have Bluetooth. But the persons who complain about headphone jacks, they know why we are complaining. Zero lag when it comes to voices and better audio quality. There's so many things that you get with a direct headphone jack port. But anyhow, we're here to do the unboxing of these two products, and we're just going to give a rundown what you get in the box and what they are actually for. Now, the first product we're going to look at is the SD2. That is a hi-fi DAC from Hidizs, and we're going to get right into the box right now. So firstly, I want to admit that I thought this thing was supposed to be big. I was very worried that it was big because on the website it looks big and on the box it looks big. But when I actually opened the box, yeah, it's a pretty tiny thing. And no, I'm not worried to attach this to the bottom of my phone so I can get a headphone jack. I was pretty worried at first. Look how tiny it is. Wow. Yeah, so that's the DAC. Now, deeper down in the box, you will find other accessories and books. Now, the first thing you find is a USB Type-C to USB Type-A connection. So you can connect this to a computer that doesn't have USB Type-C. And you also get a Type-C to Lightning cable. So you can actually put it directly to a iPhone that doesn't come with a USB Type-C. So it works on everything. Lord knows it works on Harmony OS, Android, Windows, and iOS. So yeah, great device. Up next is the MS1 Galaxy from Hidizs, and these are in-ear monitors. Now those are some words that a lot of people might not know, just look like earbuds to you guys, but they are not. Okay, so inside the MS1 Galaxy box, you get left and right drivers by themselves. This is how you know it's not just some earbuds. They are not connected to the wire. They are by themselves, which is definitely something that I am liking because, wired stuff usually get a short. The fact that they are separate means you can replace them. Also, you get different size ear tips for any size ear. You can use these, and deeper in the box you also get the cable that will actually connect to the drivers that you have seen before. Now these is the first I'm seeing them, so I definitely have to read the booklet to see how I attach them. Now, speaking of booklets, you have booklets, you have warranty card, and you have anime girl in the box. You have an anime girl in the box. You can get an anime girl in the box. There's an anime girl in the box. Okay, let's take a closer look at the drivers themselves. And I can tell you from just handling them, I can tell you they're well built, solid as a rock. They're made out of clear plastic, so you can actually see the components inside, and they're very shiny. I really need to take off the plastic over here but anyway, so the tips where you put the tips, those are made from solid metal, so it's a very rugged and solid build. Here is where you actually put the wires, connect the wires to make it operate, two little holes, and I just love the design. Let me take off the plastic for see this shiny. Ooh, look at that. You know me, I put it on back. Preserve you precious. Let's continue on and take a closer look at the cables themselves. Now, this is what connects directly to the drivers, and you can see there are two metal prongs sticking out, and that's what goes into the drivers. They're pretty sharp, by the way. Now the cable itself, sharp. Anyway, yeah, the cables themselves look a bit braided, and the one that I have comes with a mic. Now there's a little mic with a button on it. You can also get it without the mic, but the one I have comes with a mic, so you can actually make and connect to phone calls and talk. Well, there you have it, folks. The full unboxing of two awesome products from Hidizs, the MS1 Galaxy, which are in-ear monitors, and the SD2 DAC from Hidizs, which give you a headphone jack from a Type-C port on your mobile, iPhone, or your PC. Anyway, guys, stay tuned for the full review where I actually run down the specs and see if the specs match the review and the sound quality that I'm actually getting. I know I didn't go deep dive tech in this unboxing, but I had to leave something for the full review. So remember, guys, stay tuned. It's going to happen this week. And thank you guys for your support. Comment below. And if you're just ready to buy these right away, there is a link in the description, and there is a promo code in the description to get you 5% off any of these devices. Thank you guys for watching, and until next time, peace.
Snakes in the grass, you gotta watch where you step. Blood on the leaves, you either kill or be killed. When there's food on the table, you either eat or you starve. And when the sharks in the water, you either sink or you swim. It's a jungle out there. It's a jungle out there. It's a jungle out there.